Good morning, family. Happy terrific Tuesday. Good morning to all. Much blessings. I wanted to come on here and say thank you for the ones who like, support, watch the video on Sunday with my brother and I when we did the Father's Day edition. Thanks to him. Thanks for my brother for sewing into my business and also helping me to push me to be better along with my husband. Like helping me to get past my fears and pushing me. And that's what I want to talk about this morning, is pushing through fears. Guys, like one of my fears growing up as a child was shyness. I was extremely shy. I didn't want to speak up. I didn't want to do anything that's gonna help me be out in the forefront. Never want to public speak. But my parents helped cultivated that, through the church. They allowed me, and my pastor as well at the time, they allowed me to do presentations at church, and that helped me out a whole lot going to my adulthood when it was time for me to do public speaking. So that helped me out a lot as well. I'd like to thank my husband for his editorial and photography work that he does behind the scenes stuff, making sure everything is good for y'all to view and watch. So I like to give shout out to him as well, and to my parents for their upbringing, like help pushing me through obstacles. Fear was one of the biggest things, and like I said, being shy, that held me back a lot for doing some of the things that I really want to do. And my passion was always doing something with editorial. I like the different. I used to read a lot of magazines, fashion magazines, Ebony, Essence, all those great things, Vogue, and I always wanted to do, either to write a spread or either be on a spread. I always wanted to do something within that field, but I didn't quite know, in what capacity that I wanted to do that in. But I thank God for a second chance at me being able to do that. So by me saying that, guys, continue to pray and push, to any fears, anything that's hindering you from, reaching your goals. Push through that, because God have not given us a spirit of fear, but a peace, power, and love, and of a sound mind. Push through those fears. Don't let your fear or doubt and stuff stop you from doing stuff. Because if I can do it, me being shy and sometimes soft-spoken, if I can do it and push through this and be nervous, I'm like really nervous. And even to this day, by doing videos, I still have to take a deep breath and pray and get my mind right. I have to speak to my doubts, like I have to tell it to leave, because that bothers me. So I decided just to push through that. I said, if I really want this to pop and happen, I got to really push through. So if I can do it, guys, you can do it as well. I watch a lot of videos, and I see, that's how I learn, by connecting myself with people who pretty much do the same thing that I'm doing, or trying to get into the vlogging field. I just, watch and study different things to help me become better. Guys, you have to study your craft as well. Things that you're trying to do, just because you're good at something, still study your craft. Still, that helps you be better. That helps a lot of things that we may not know on our own, but by watching others and being around others, that can help you out as well. Study your craft. Learn the things that you're trying to do so you can be better for yourself, and you can leave a great mark behind. So study your craft, push through your fears. Allow constructive criticism. If something you're trying to do and it's not quite there, allow people to help you constructively. Allow them to tell you, what, I think you need to work on this, because sometimes people can see things better outwardly, than things that you may not see. They can be able to see those things. So guys, I encourage each and every one of you to push through any fears, kick those fears in the butt. Also, on last night, I want you to check out my latest story on my nephew. He's a South Carolina artist, check the story out. Reintroducing Romo from DeVille. You know, he has some great music out there, some great content. You know, check out the blog. You know, please like and support. The likes and support, guys, that help keep people encouraged. You know, it's more than just a ego boost. It helps people. It keeps people striving, and it keeps people encouraged and keep letting them continue to do the things that they're doing. So read my latest blog on that. Support the content, guys. I just want to say good morning and push through your fears, and you know, continue to be great, guys. This is April, blogging with April, signing off, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.